This is exercise 643. In this exercise, you needed to use a tetrahedral dice, or think about a tetrahedral dice, and come up with some probabilities based on that. Part A just has one die that you're looking at. So spots are going to be the top row there. And probability. Basically, your only options are 1, 2, 3, and 4 spots. So that means they each have a probability of 0.25. It's pretty straightforward. Now, part B, now we have two different, we have two dice. So it might help if we actually just make like a table. First die, and second die. And let's come up with all the different options you could possibly have. You could get 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the first die, and 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the second die. So if I get a 1 and a 1, that's going to correspond to a sum of 2. 1 and 2 gives me 3, 1 and 3 gives me 4, and 5. 2 and 1 gives me 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we take all of these probabilities and make a table, so the spots and the probabilities, notice our options 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'll basically just do it as a percent, or as a fraction, probably the easiest. Probability, there are 16 different possibilities you could get with the two dice. So, one way you can get a 2. To get a 3, there are 2 ways. To get a 4, there are 3 ways. To get a 5, there are 4 ways. To get a 6, there are 3 ways. To get a 7, there are 2 ways. And there's one way to get an 8. So the last question on this problem says, what's the probability that the sums are 5? Is 4/16 or 0.25.